In the last video, we talked about identity, how your habit starts with who you believe you are. But that's just the first step. Once you know the kind of person you want to be, you need to start a system that helps you act like it every day. Because here is the truth. You don't rise to the level of your goal. You fall to the level of your habit. And your habit has a pattern whether you see it or not. And the pattern has 4 steps: cue, craving, response, and reward. This is how every habit works, good or bad. Let me show you what it's like for me. If I want to run in the morning, the cue would be my shoes are right next to the door. The craving, I want that clear-headed, fresh feeling I get afterwards. The response, I put on the shoes, I go, even if it's for 5 minutes. And the reward, that moment when I get back, breathing deep, feeling proud I have done it and I showed up. And that's the loop. Cue, craving, response, reward. Once I saw that, I was noticing it everywhere, even in bad habits. Let's say you always grab chocolate late at night. The cue, you walk into the kitchen. The craving, you're tired and bored and you just want to eat something sweet. The response is, you open that fridge and grab that chocolate. And the reward? It lasts like a few seconds, followed by guilt. It feels automatic, but once you see the pattern, you can change it. The trick is to make the good loops easy and the bad loops hard. For good habits, make it obvious. Make the craving attractive. Make the response simple. Make the reward satisfying. And for the bad habits, hide the cue. Break the craving. Make the action harder and remove the rewards. Simple idea, big results. Here's your challenge for today. Pick one habit you want to change. Write down your cue, craving, response, and reward. Just one habit, just one loop. Drop it in the comments if you want to share. Or keep it to yourself, up to you. But write it down. In the next video, we are going to talk about something most people get wrong: motivation. Why you shouldn't rely on it, and what actually works instead. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Let's keep building, one small shift at a time.